Good evening, friends. So, today again I came in front of all of you as usual. Today again I brought a new story for all of you. It is very interesting, very moralityful, and hope that you will try to understand the ethic of this story. Now, going to narrate, going to explain to this story. Once a king was ruling in his kingdom, he received two falcon birds in gift, but these two falcon birds were newly born, so this reason these two falcon birds could not move, could not run, and not can fly in the sky. It was the little bit problematic thing for the king. Then king asked to his minister, who is the expert, who is the well trainer, who can make these two falcon bird fly in the sky as birds, as falcons soar, as fly in the sky. Find out to that expert and assign to this task to that expert. Then minister find out a person and assign to this task to that expert who was well known about the birds making fly and given to the task. After 1 month later, the expert informed to the king and said that only one falcon bird is soaring in the sky, is flying in the sky as falcons, as birds fly in the sky, but second is never trying for the move from the branch of tree where it was in initial stage. Then king asked what is the reason, what may be the reason, asked to his minister and said find out any other expert who can make to this second falcon bird fly. Then then minister assigned to the task to a farmer, and the farmer took to this falcon bird and gave him the training, but this falcon bird never tried for the moving. Then farmer thought, now I should cut to the branch where it is sitting, because the falcon bird now thinking it is a comfort zone, I should not move, I should not fly in the sky, so I will never try for move. Then farmer cut to the branch of tree where it was sitting. As farmer cut to the branch, the falcon tried for the moving, effort for flying, and flying in the sky as bird, as falcon move and fly in the sky. Then he informed to the king, and king asked, how did you make to this bird fly in the sky? Then farmer replied, I did not nothing anything with this falcon, I simply just cut to that branch where it is sitting, because that was comfort zone for this falcon birds, so it was never tried for move, never tried for the flying, so this reason I cut to that branch. Then king given thanks, given gift to that farmer. So from this story the moral which we are getting, that if we will be in comfort zone, if we will be in staying thing in stay point, then we will never try for the go ahead, never we will be try for forward things. So this reason if we will never try, then that talent which we have in our inside, which we have proficient, which we have passion in our body, we will lose to that, we will hide to that, then never can fly as falcon, as birds, as our talent we have. So this reason never be in comfort zone, never be in staying zone where you are thinking that it is my comfort zone, it is my criteria, now I am good on where I am right now. If you will be there, then you will, it means you are hiding your talent, it means you are losing your proficient, you are losing your passion. So never be compromised with this. Hope that you will try to understand the ethic, the story of this which I have narrated in front of all of you. If the falcon had not moved, if the falcon had not flying in the sky, then what would be result? Result would be that falcon bird would die. So life is likewise. If you will not try, if you will not try for fly, if you will not try for the move, then someone will cut your tree, cut your feet where you will be. So never be in comfort zone. Through this video, this is moral, this is ethic of this story. So keep continue in your way. Where is your passion? Where is your talent? Where you are proficient to find out yourself. So keep growing. Next tomorrow we will again meet to be all of you. Till then, bye bye.